start mix everything well. This is your hand, Enrico.
It's not my hand, it's only my fingers. It's crazy.
Press it a bit. What do you think?
Okay, that looks like a witch.
Absolutely stunning. Oh. Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. My son Enrico, we decided to do something funny and we decided to do some ends with mince, and we draw down our hands on the paper, my Enrico hand, and I can, perfect. Thank you, Enrico. Anyway, guys, this is gonna be our model to build this hand, but we're gonna do with mince. And I'll show you the ingredient. And you can watch even the other video where I make the meatballs, because it's gonna be the same ingredient. I use for this because I don't know how much meat I'm gonna, but this 1.5 kilo mince. I use 50% pork, 50% beef, but you can use any mince you like. We're gonna use some breadcrumb, Parmesan or pecorino if you like. I like some parsley very finely chopped and red onion very finely done. But the onion is not obligatory. And I'm gonna use salt and pepper, paprika, and 2 eggs. Okay? What we're gonna do? The meat is already in bowl. We make some space. We add the Parmesan. This was 70 grams of Parmesan. Okay? We add the onion. This is half red onion, but if you like the white onion, any onion you like, shallot, parsley. We add the 2 eggs. 2 eggs because it's 1.5 kilo, but around 850 grams if is enough, even one. We add salt, how much you like, black pepper, and I like some paprika as well, but it's not obligatory, okay? We cook very well. Now, start mix everything well, take your time. Later, now I mix a little bit, later we're gonna add the breadcrumb, okay? Just I will mix this stuff first, and later I add the breadcrumb. I show you in couple minutes, okay? I mix roughly that, and I start add like 5-6 tablespoons of breadcrumb, and later I'm gonna show you the which consistent I like, okay? I'm start do it. If I add more, I let you know. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay? See you soon when the mix is ready. Okay, guys, the consistent gonna be this, not too soft, not too hard. Okay? Now we start build the end. What we gonna do? I recommend you to prepare some oil in a little bowl. Find a little cardboard or anything to make nice and firm your draw. I'm start with Enrico's and simple, very simple, guys. Take the meat slowly, and you have to cover the best way you can. You start and later slowly you build. It's funny, but they're gonna be absolutely delicious as well.
Delicious.
Later we gonna finish all the detail. Start big
see my hand, but only my fingers.
This is your hand, Enrico.
It's not my hand, it's only my fingers. It's crazy.
You know.
Now it's my hand.
And now, guys, take like a spatula and
Then put it in the
put
oven.
some oil on the top.
And then put it in the oven?
Well,
I'm guessing.
in the oven in the end.
Excellent!
Put some oil around, and with spatula start do the more detail, you know. Press it a bit. We're gonna add some more meat. Up to take your time. You're not gonna be precise. It's always gonna be anyway weird. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of meat here. When you finish your hand, we're gonna first put in the fridge. We can leave a nice hour, couple hours. I'm gonna leave at least couple hours. I almost am done. The Enrico sandwich is ready, and now I'm gonna show you my hands. I'm gonna do different, okay? This one is one. We put on the side. This is important to have this, because if you take without, you can break everything. Now I put on the side. Look how beautiful it is. And later we're gonna finish. Now I leave here and I'm gonna show you the second one. Okay guys, the Enrico's egg is ready. Now the same thing, we start with the big one. Of course, more meat. And do the same what we did before. And you know, do all your end like this. And I'm gonna show you the rest, because in this one I'm gonna add some cheese and cook ham. Okay, like this. Yeah, beautiful. This is more easy. Now with oil and do a better shape. And this one, guys, I have some cooked ham. I want to put here like this, and plus I have some taleggio cheese. It's very soft cheese. I'm gonna put inside here. Like that. We cover. And I'm gonna add more meat as well on the fingers. But now I cover everything and I show you soon. Guys, my two hands is this. Wow, look at that. They're beautiful. Huh? Enrico's hand, my son. Now, guys, just if you want, little, but cut the onion in two and take a layer like this. That's if you want, guys. We do the nails. You see? You can use the white onion as well. What do you think?
Okay, that looks like a witch. That looks like a witch.
Guys, now I'm do the same for my big one, and I recommend you this. They can go even in the oven straight away, but I prefer they're gonna be in the fridge a nice couple hours, because I like they're very firm. And see, you do the same here. You know, and when it's ready, just I'm gonna put in the oven, and when I'm gonna cook it, I'm gonna show you the rest. Okay, guys, my ends they're ready. I left maybe 2.5-3 hours in the fridge. Now they're going in the oven, 200 degrees The big one, they're going around 45 minutes, okay? But they move them very carefully because, you know, they're very delicate, you can break it. A little bit of oil on the top. Prepare your tray, because I have this, and very carefully with your cable on the, underneath. The second one, same stuff, a little touch of oil. Ah, they're gonna be on. I cannot wait. Okay. And now we do the same. Yeah, wow, exactly. Now in the oven, this is gonna be around 45 minutes, okay? And as well, the small one, we do the same thing, some oil on the top, and they're gonna be around half an hour maybe. I'm gonna be more precise later, okay? Anyway, I have another tray for my son hands. They going in the oven. I'm gonna be more precise later, okay? Guys, the ends, they ready. They just came out now from the oven. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Oh, some cheese is out, but anyway, guys, it's funny for Halloween, but it's very good. We're going to have this for dinner, and that's it. My ends and Enrico ends is that.
Our next Halloween thing is feet. Stinky feet.
Okay. Anyway, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.
Ciao.